Welcome to our channel. Start your Medicaid application. Online the quick and easy way today. Welcome to our channel. If you or someone you know needs healthcare coverage and wants to apply for Medicaid online, you're in the right place. Applying for Medicaid doesn't have to be complicated. And with the right steps, you can complete your application quickly and efficiently. Here is a step-by-step guide to get you through the process smoothly. First, gather all necessary documents that may be required. This typically includes proof of identity, such as a driver's license or state ID, proof of income like pay stubs, tax returns, or Social Security benefits, proof of residency, such as a utility bill, and your Social Security number. Once you have all your documents ready, visit your state's official Medicaid website. It's important to use the official site to protect your personal information and ensure your application is processed correctly. On the homepage, look for the section labeled Apply for Medicaid or Get Covered. Click on that to start your application. The online application will prompt you to create an account. If you already have an account from a previous application, simply log and enter all requested information carefully, including personal details, income, and household size. The system may ask about your current health coverage and citizenship status, so be honest and thorough. As you proceed, you might encounter questions about your medical history or disability status. Answer these questions accurately, as they can affect your eligibility. After completing the form, review all your answers to make sure everything is correct. Mistakes or incomplete information can delay your application. Once reviewed, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation email or notification indicating your application has been received and is being processed. Remember, some states allow you to upload documents directly online, which can speed up verification. If your state offers this option, take advantage of it. After submitting your application, you can often check your status online or through email updates. If additional information is needed, Medicaid staff will contact you, so keep an eye on your email or account messages. This process usually takes a few weeks, so be patient and keep your information updated. If your application is approved, you will receive details about your coverage start date and how to access Medicaid services. If your application is denied, you will receive an explanation and information on how to appeal or reapply. Applying for Medicaid online might seem overwhelming at first, but by following these clear steps, you can navigate it with confidence and get the healthcare coverage you need efficiently. Thank you for watching and learning how to apply for Medicaid online quickly and easily. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and information.